The Revolo RE01 Keypad Deadbolt offers a seamless keyless entry experience with its ability to store up to 20 access codes, making it ideal for both family homes and vacation rentals. Installation is a breeze, as this door lock set can be fitted in approximately 15 minutes using just a single screwdriver without the need for additional tools or drilling. With its auto-locking feature and anti-peeking password protection, this deadbolt ensures enhanced security by preventing unauthorized access and ensuring the door is always securely locked. The stylish design of the Revolo RE001 combines a unique lock shape with a high-quality handle, adding a touch of elegance to any building without the need for purchasing an additional handle. Constructed from durable zinc alloy, this electronic deadbolt is built to withstand the demands of a busy household for over 30 years, while its IP65 rating provides weather resistance for outdoor use. This keypad deadbolt by Revolo is an excellent choice for those seeking a combination of security, style, and long-lasting durability in a smart door lock.